What a fabulous example, just arrived in, direct off last owner. Great value for money. If you're looking for open top motoring, these are fabulous cars. Great value for money. Mercedes-Benz SLK 250D automatic. It's a 2.1 diesel, 200 brake horsepower, 9-speed automatic, finished in Iridium silver metallic with full black Artico leather. It's a 2015 on a 65 plate with just 32,000 miles. Just gone through our workshops. We spent a lot of money on it to make it absolutely gorgeous as it is. I'm going to take you all the way around it and explain to you what we've done to the car. This has the full electric metal folding roof, so just literally press the button and hey presto, it is so quick, so sleek. Take you all the way around it. A very nice, clean, tidy example. Iridium silver. So when the hood's down, you've still got quite a bit of storage under there. A couple of good suitcases in there if you're travelling away. All the back end, lovely and tidy. Got rear parking sensors. All down the sides. Lovely and clean. No major dents, scratches, scrapes or dings. And now let's tell you what we've done to the car. So it's had rear brake discs and rear pads. It's had all the wheels professionally sandblasted and powder coated. So all of those are absolutely like brand new. High quality, as you can see, not just been sprayed over with an aerosol. We've put new center caps on there and a complete set of new tyres as well. So you've got a brand new set of tyres all round, all the wheels done, brakes front and rear. I'll show you the front shortly. So the car is ready for the next owner. It's had a full service as well. As you can see down the sides, very nice. So again, front brake discs and pads. So I'm going to worry about those at all. Again, look at that wheel. All across the front. Very clean. No scrapes, no bangs, no dings. And of course, for the age, you're going to get a few stone chips. We don't try to make out they're all like brand new cars, but you know there will be the odd stone chips across the front, but certainly not peppered badly or no scrapes. And all across the front. And this is why we do the videos, so you know exactly what you're going to get. Watching this from the comfort of your armchair at home, so you can make an informed decision if this vehicle is for you or not, or if you're comparing, you know how far we've gone to make this car very nice indeed. And the final wheel and tyre, again, all of them absolutely perfect on that. Got the wind deflector there, that just pops out if you want to take it out. For its age, it is very clean and tidy. The door trims all undamaged. The driver's seat, as you can see, very good condition. Passenger seat, again, very good condition. Again, the odd little mark, but nothing, no rips, tears or burns. All the dashboard as it should be. So it's the 2.1 diesel, as I mentioned, 200 brake horse, 32823 is the mileage, that's what it's done. So 32823, 2015 car. So I'm sure you can work that out. Extremely low mileage. Got the radio there. CD, not so popular these days. Bluetooth phone, no navigation on the vehicle, air conditioning, and of course you've got the gear selector there, and you've also got paddle shift gear change. You can change the gears on the paddle shift, and just under there, cruise control and speed limiter. You've got various controls on there for your radio, volume on there, and Bluetooth. Got a menu across there, scroll across. And to put the hood up, of course you've got additional storage under there, USB aux input in there. There's that little wheel there, just turn that over, press the button, and you'll see how fast the whole process is. So quick, so sleek, and there we go. So you're not going to get caught out if it's raining. Just press the button and you're away. So with the hood up, you've got a proper glass window in there. Of course, in the boot, that's a safety thing. You put that away, it gives you a massive boot. Put the hood up there like that, and just under there you've got the kit for the spare wheel. AdBlue, no spare wheel of course on these. So with the hood up, a very stylish coupe. Of course, we have 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. We welcome part exchange. If you need finance, just give us a call. If you're looking for a bit of a fun car, what about this one? Remember, you can click and reserve this car 24/7. Click and reserve. Come and collect from our showrooms in Stoke-on-Trent. Remember our full money back guarantee. If you feel the car is not as described when you come to view it, we'll refund your deposit, no questions asked. But by reserving it, you ensure that nobody else is going to beat you to it. Our phone number is 01782 822 700. Further details. Specialist Cars, a multi-award winning dealer based in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. We're open Monday to Saturday. Specialist Cars, a multi-award winning dealer. Our phone number again is 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get update of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.